لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وإن تبدوا ما في أنفسكم أو تخفوه يحاسبكم به الله فيغفر لمن يشاء ويعذب من يشاء والله على كل شيء قدير.
All that is in the heavens and the earth belongs to Allah Almighty, whether you disclose whatever is in your hearts or conceal it. Allah Almighty will call you to account for it and will then forgive whomsoever He wills and will chastise whomsoever He wills. Allah Almighty has power over everything.
آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون كل آمن بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله لا نفرق بين أحد من رسله وقالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير.
The messenger believes, and so do the believers in the guidance sent down upon him from his Lord. Each of them believes in Allah Almighty, and in His angels and in His books, and in His messengers. They say we make no distinction between any of His messengers. We hear and obey. Our Lord, grant us your forgiveness, to you we are destined to return.
لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها لها ما كسبت وعليها ما اكتسبت ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين.
Allah Almighty does not lay a responsibility on anyone beyond his capacity. In His favor shall be whatever good each one does, and against him whatever evil he does. Believers, pray thus to your Lord our Lord. Take us not to task if we forget or commit mistakes. Our Lord, lay not on us a burden such as you laid on those gone before us. Our Lord, lay not on us burdens which we do not have the power to bear. and overlook our faults and forgive us and have mercy upon us. You are our guardian, so grant us victory against the unbelieving folk.